Hi guys, this is the Java series. Now let's discuss about how to write the content inside the specified file using the printWriter class and StringTokenizer class. Okay, we already discussed about the file output stream class. That is an output stream class used for writing the data into a file, isn't it? Now I am going to write the program to write the content inside the specified file using these three classes. Okay, first I import file output stream class java.io package file output stream class, and then I import printWriter class java.io.printWriter class. Okay, and I import StringTokenizer class that is present inside the utility package, not a IO package. Okay, so this is the name of the class. Inside this class I have created the main method. Here I have used the throws keyword. Okay, and this is the inbuilt exception class. Now I create the object for file output stream. My object name is fout. Whatever we want we give. Here I have given fout. Okay, new keyword and the parameterized constructor for file output stream class. Inside the round brackets I pass the path of the file, text file, and I create the object for printWriter class. Okay, in order to write the content inside the file, I create the object for the printWriter class. Okay, pout is the name of the object for printWriter class, and use the keyword and parameterized constructor for printWriter class, and inside the round brackets I pass the object of file output stream, that is fout. Okay, up to this clear? Then I create the StringTokenizer object. Okay, StringTokenizer is the name of the class that is present inside the utility object. Now I create the object for string token. St is the object name for StringTokenizer, and then use the keyword and parameterized constructor for StringTokenizer, and inside the round brackets I pass the statement. Whatever you want you give. Now I give health is wealth. Okay, so now I try to write these tokens. Token is nothing but what? The words. Okay, so what is the usage of StringTokenizer class? This class takes an input stream and passes it into tokens. Okay, allowing the tokens to be read one at a time. I repeat it again. The StringTokenizer class takes an input stream and passes it into tokens. Okay, that is words, and allowing the tokens to be read one at a time. Okay, and then I implement the while loop. While st is the object for StringTokenizer class, and inside the StringTokenizer class we have so many inbuilt methods. Now I use the hash more tokens inbuilt method. Okay, so what is the usage of this inbuilt method? This method returns boolean value. Boolean value means it returns either true or false. Okay, this method returns false if there is no string inside this object. Okay, so now inside the while loop I use the pout object. Pout is what? The object for printWriter class. Okay, and println method. Inside the round brackets, I write the object for StringTokenizer and inbuilt method next token. So what is the usage of this inbuilt method? This method is used to write the token inside the specified file and moves the file pointer to the next token. Okay, this is the task for this inbuilt method. Okay, hash more tokens and next token. These two inbuilt methods are present inside the StringTokenizer class. Okay, this method returns boolean value. It returns true if the string is present inside this object, and this method returns false. There is no string present inside the st object. Okay, st is the object for StringTokenizer class, and next token returns the next word or token from the given statement. Okay, and finally we have to close the f out. What is it? This is the object for file output string, and p out. This is the object of the printWriter class. Okay, we have to close these two objects in order to avoid the corruption. Okay, so this is the text file. Inside this file only I try to write this statement using the StringTokenizer class. Inside this StringTokenizer class we have the hash more tokens inbuilt method and next token inbuilt method. Okay, this method is used to check whether the word is present inside the object of StringTokenizer class. Okay, and this method is used to move the file pointer to the next token. Okay, and after the execution of this while loop, all the tokens inside this object will be written inside this specified file. Okay, so system.out. println success. I save this program. Let me execute this one. Now success we got. That means this string is written inside the specified file using these three classes: file output stream class, printWriter class, and StringTokenizer class. Now I check that file inside the D drive. The file name is AB. Okay, I've opened this one. Here health is wealth. So we got the output. Okay, health is one token, is one token, and wealth dot dot. This is the final token. Okay, I hope you all understood the execution flow of the program. We have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. If this video is useful to you, like and share. For more videos, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, then only you will get the notification for my new updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.